Profit Abundance consists of well over 40 profitable marketing secrets. Nearly every marketer in the industry is always on the lookout for ways to generate more customers. If you're looking to grow a list that sends you tons of buyers and makes even more money, then you'll love this over-the-top package. This gives you a ton of different traffic approaches and list building methods that will give your list the boost it needs to reach new heights. Profit Abundance also comes with 5 DFI monetization offers that are proven to convert time and time again, plus one high-ticket offer for you to bank big commissions. Profit Abundance is a list building, traffic hacks, social media marketing bundle of well over 40 profit secrets your audience would love and thank you for. 10 list building hacks, 10 traffic hacks, 10 social media marketing list building, plus 10 of our previous products for you to take advantage of. Who doesn't want to have a huge list of subscribers who will buy everything that you tell them to? You'll be able to access this large group of people directly whenever you launch a new offer. List building is important in affiliate marketing because email addresses are more personal than public social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. List building helps you build a better relationship with your audience. List building is a long-term strategy, but these hacks will give you that boost to get you started. You might have heard this before, but traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. This traffic can come from various sources such as list building, social media marketing, or your own website with search engine optimization, SEO. It's also important to note that there are no shortcuts when it comes to traffic generation and list building. 7 out of 10 marketers who are successful today attribute their success to social media marketing. In fact, list building and social media marketing is the primary focus even for people who are making 6 figures per month. And frankly, it's easy to see why. According to a study by ComScore in 2012, Americans spent over 3 hours and 30 minutes per day on social media. That's a lot of time, right? Marketers are capitalizing on this by driving traffic to squeeze pages via social media platforms, and list building is no different. List building arguably serves as the best list building strategy for your emails and to promote affiliate offers, because you can email your list directly and get instant sales. However, list building is only the first step. Traffic is where the money's at. You could have lists of 1000s, but if you're not getting traffic to your list building squeeze pages, you're not making any sales. And that's where social media marketing comes in. Social media marketing is the most cost-effective list building strategy and will help you expand your list exponentially. Profit Abundance can easily be marketed to your list building, traffic hacks, or social media marketing audience and will help you make money. Hurry, this is a limited time offer, so don't miss out on one of these top converting offers.
Hey, welcome to Profit Abundance. This is the membership area and I'll go over what it is all about and what you get with Profit Abundance. Profit Abundance is created by Sid, Bill and Saurabh. It's 40 secret sources that unlock free traffic from 560 million buyers on all the open web platforms. You want to see these are the 40 secret sources, these are the 40 hacks you can call, or 40 products, or 40 different training courses. I mean, everything is bundled along with this beautiful application which is called as Profit Generator. It's an application where the 5 of the best, once you click this, you can open it in this 5 of the best highly converting offers in the Warrior Plus. These are the 5 best products. These are the 5 highly converting offers where we give out not only the link, the permission to promote, along with that we'll be giving out 25 bonuses which you can give away for your own product. For example, let me create a test set and the Warrior Plus link. All the links will be given below to request your Warrior Plus. Let me go get TweetX link. This is the TweetX link. Place it here. So since I selected TweetX, select the TweetX. If you select Mail, Rapid Mobile Commission, Blaze Bonus, MailerLink, whichever it is, you can select it and open it, and you will get a beautiful link. Copy it, and yeah, just open it here, and you can see the whole TweetX bonus page is being created. You need to do nothing. It's completely done for you. I mean, the thing, even the links are updated. If you click that, it will go to the Warrior Plus checkout page of this TweetX, where you get commission if someone buys from your link, right? It's completely done for you, and you can see all the bonuses. Everything is done. All these bonus links will be given underneath this. Okay, let me go here. All these bonus things will be given out here. This is the demo access, so you're not seeing anything here. So all the bonus links, all the request links for these top converting offers, everything will be given here. Along with that, 10x of this profit abundance, why the list building, and where you should get traffic, where you should get this social media marketing, everything is explained. And moreover, 10 list building hacks, 10 traffic hacks, 10 marketing hacks. I mean, if you combine all these features, it's like 40 different products. When you are getting 40 different products for just the price of one, you can think about that. Forget about these 40 products. This profit generator, the page which generates bonus pages for the 5 top converting offers, is alone worth more than hundreds of dollars. Seriously, hosting this platform somewhere else, it's too much, but here alone it's gonna cost you just $17 for all these things, and incredible bonuses are also added here. This is like amazing. We'll see you inside. Thank you very much.